Welcome everyone, here's how you screen record on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is you're going to slide down from the top once, then slide down one more time. You're then going to swipe until you see the screen recorder. So for me it's on the first page. If you don't see it, just swipe from right to left until you see the screen recording option. If you still do not see this option, just tap on the plus, find the screen record option and then drag and drop like so. So from here, we're going to tap on screen recorder. We're like to see start recording with screen recorder. You have the sound settings, so if you tap on none, no audio will be recorded. Media means the system sound, like the Samsung blah, 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 that's going to be recorded. You know, if you're playing a game, the game sounds will be recorded. Then you have media and mic, so the game sounds, audio sounds, and the microphone, so you can hear me speaking because of the mic. If you were speaking, that would be picked up. Show taps and touches, so when this is on, if you tap on the screen, it will show in the recording. And when you're ready to go, just tap on start recording. So you have a countdown which you can skip, and once the countdown is over, you do have this menu right here. You can hide it by tapping on the arrow, slide from slide to the left, and then you'll be good to go. You have the option to pause, stop the recording. You can also doodle on the screen if you would like. And you can also use your front camera while recording, which is pretty darn cool. When you're ready to stop, just tap on the stop icon and the recording has been saved. So open up the gallery app, find albums, find screen recording. You can see your screen recording. You tap on the preview, you can scrub across, you can see me drawing, everything will be recorded, okay? When you open up third-party apps, it'll be recorded, everything, so just keep that in mind. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.